Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Quidel Triage Troponin 1 test. Quidel Triage Troponin 1 test is the next generation fluorescent immunoassay. This is compatible with point of care Quidel Triage MeterPro analyzer. This is the top view of the box. You can see the brand name over here, Quidel Triage Troponin 1 test. This is the code number 98600UU. The generic name is Troponin 1 IVD kit, and you can find the manufacturing details over here, and you can find the box content over here. It comes with 25 number of transient pipette and 1 number of reagent code chip module and 1 number of printer paper and 1 number of product insert guide. Now I am going to show you the side view of the box. This is the side view. You can find the Troponin 1 test Quidel Triage. And over here you can find that this is a C certified product, and you can find the reference number 98600EU and brand name Quidel. Here you can find the content present inside: 25 test devices, 25 pipettes and 1 device card and 1 printer paper. Here you can find the manufacturing details. Now I am going to unbox this for your reference. At the top you can find one CD drive which comes up with an instruction manual. I am just going to place this aside, and after that you can find an instruction manual for Quidel Triage Cardiac 3 panel and Cardiac 2 panel Troponin 1 test kit. This is the user manual. You can find the instruction guide. Now I am just going to place this aside. After that you can find 25 number of sterile pipettes, I am just going to place this aside. After that you can find a printer paper roll. I am just going to place this aside. This is reagent code chip. I am just going to place this aside. This is the 25 test kit pack. I'm just going to open this. Inside this you can find 25 test cartridges. I'm just going to show you one. This is the Quidel Triage Troponin 1 test kit cartridge. You can find the brand name over here, Quidel Triage Troponin 1, and IVD marking over here. This should be maintained in 2 degree to 8 degree Celsius, so that only I am keeping this product in an ice pack to maintain the temperature. Here you can find the instruction for loading sample. and at the bottom you can find the manufacturing details. So this is the back side. This is the complete product present inside the box. I am just going to now summarize this. This comes with Quidel Triage Troponin 1 test kits comes with and CD manual, 25 sterile pipettes for sample loading, and one user manual, one paper printer roll, and one reagent code chip module, and 25 test cartridges for Troponin 1 test. This is the overall product present inside the box. Thank you.